welcome to your math class. Today we will start our last exercise, that is 20th B exercise of the chapter 20th. It is related to the surface area of cylinder. As you know, what is the cylinder? Exercise 20, which is related to surface area of cylinder. Firstly, you should know about what is the cylinder. In your home, that the glass you are using for drinking the water, that is in a cylindrical shape. There is a lot of bottles are there that is in cylindrical shape. As you can say, I have the chalk here, that is also in a cylindrical shape. Then what will be the surface area? As you know that this is the surface of this cylinder, and the cylinder at your home, that is also in cylindrical shape. So the curved surface of that cylinder will be the 2 pi r h. This is the curved surface area of the cylinder. And what about the total surface area of cylinder? If it is closed one, if you have the closed cylinder, it means you have the base there and the top is also there. There is a lid. It means you have a covered glass. Then you have a surface area. Here you have the just curved surface area. This, not the top, not the bottom. Clear? So as you can see that in this chalk, this is the base is a circular. So the area of a circle is pi r square. And in the same way your top is also circle, so that is also area is a pi r square. So when you are just want to get the total surface area of a cylinder, so you have to add the curved surface area plus area of top and area of bottom. Curved surface area is 2 pi r h. If there is a base only, then you have to add only 1 pi r square. If you have to add the top also, so you have to add again pi r square. It means you have to add 2 times pi r square. Clear? So your total area will be 2 pi r h into 2 pi r square. So you can take that common 2 pi r. So you are having here h plus r. So this is the total surface area of this cylinder. So that this is include here and the bottom is also included in this one and the middle one also. Clear? So this is the total surface area of this cylinder. Come to the question number 1. When the question will come without top, so you will have only add 2 pi r h plus pi r square. अगर आपको टॉप नहीं दे रखा, इट इज ओपन एट वन एंड, सो आपको सिर्फ इसका कर्व सरफेस एरिया और एक बेस का एरिया ऐड करना, दैट मीन्स 2 पाई आर एच प्लस पाई आर स्क्वायर. क्लियर है? इफ इट इज ओपन एट बोथ एंड, यानी कि ऊपर से भी खुला है नीचे से भी खुला है, देन यू हैव टू जस्ट ऐड द 2 पाई आर एच फॉर द कर्व सरफेस एरिया. इफ इट इज क्लोज्ड, इट इज कवर्ड फ्रॉम द बोथ साइड, टॉप से भी कवर है बॉटम से भी कवर है, इट मीन्स देन यू नीड द टोटल सरफेस एरिया 2 पाई आर इंटू आर प्लस एच. Okay, because this is area, so it should be in centimeter square, meter square. The square unit will be the unit of this surface area, either it's of curved surface area and the total surface area. Now come to the question number 1 of this exercise. Yes. Question number 1, where the radius of the, I am taking the second part of this one. Question number 1, find the curved surface area and the total surface area of the cylinder whose dimension, it means the radius of the base is 14 meter and the height is 15 meter. So you have to find the curved surface area. The curved surface area is 2 pi r h. Clear? So put the value of r and h here. 2 into, you will use the value of pi is 22 by 7 here, and r is 14 and h is 15. So multiply 30, 32 is 60, 22 into 60 and get your answer in the meter square. 1320 meter square. So this will be the answer of this part. Now come to the total surface area. So you need 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. So you already have the curved surface area 132 plus 2, 22 by 7, r is 14 into 14. So add them, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 88, multiply 14 and add in curved surface area. Add them and get your answer in the meter square. It's quite obvious. Come to the question number 2. An open cylindrical tank. It means it is open from one end. खुला है, it means आपका टॉप नहीं है, लिड नहीं है, कवर नहीं है उस पर. Then has a diameter 3.5 meters. So the diameter, if the diameter is given, so the radius of cylindrical tank, that is r, that is the half of the diameter, and the half of the diameter is 3.5. So the radius will be 3.5 by 2 meter. It means 1.75 meter, and the height of the cylindrical tank, that is h. It is already given, that is 7 meters. So then find how much will it cost to paint the curved surface and the base of the tank. आपको कर्व सरफेस पे भी उसको पेंट करना है और उसके बेस को भी पेंट करना है. पेंट मीन्स आपने उसकी से आउटर लेयरिंग देनी है. सो यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट द कर्व सरफेस एरिया. अगर कुछ फिल करना होता देन वी विल रिलेट टू द वॉल्यूम और कैपेसिटी ऑफ दैट सिलेंड्रिकल टैंक. बट आपको अब यहाँ पेंट करना है. इट मीन्स यू नीड द कर्व सरफेस एरिया of that cylindrical tank, and you need to paint the base also. So the surface area of the cylindrical tank will be 2 pi rh, and there is only one base is there, so the pi r square, 1 pi r square, क्योंकि आपका अब टॉप नहीं है तो 1 pi r square आएगा, 2 pi r square नहीं आएगा. So put the value here, 2 into 22 by 7, r is 3.5 by 2, it is 35 by 20, and h is 7 plus pi 22 by 7, r is 3.5 by 2, 3.5 by 2, and just simplify. 7 5s are 5 4s are 2 11. So on solving this term you will get the 11, and on solving this 11, so you are having here 11 by 8. So 88 plus 11, 99 by 8 meters square. So this will be the answer of this question. Come to the question number 3. Come to the question number 3. What is the question number 3 here? If the radius of a circular cylinder, find the radius of a circular cylinder. It means in the question number 3 you have to find the r, where the h is given. What is the h here? That the height of the cylinder is 14 centimeter, and the curved surface area is 176. It means curved surface area is 176 centimeter square. So the curved surface area is 2 pi rh is equal to 170. Now you will find the r, that is 176 by 2 into pi and h. So 176 to pi is 22 by 7 and h is 14. 7 2s are 2 8s are 2 8s are 4 2. So the 2 centimeter will be the answer of this question. Come to the question number 4, where the circumference of the base of a right circular cylinder. As you know that if I am talking about the circumference of the base, this is the base, and if I am talking, this is base, and this its shape is circle, and its circumference is 2 pi r. So the circumference of the base is 203. Circumference of base is 308 centimeter. As you know that the circumference of the base which is circular in shape, so the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. So it will be compared with the 2 pi r, so that you can get the value of r, and divided by 2 into pi and put the value of pi here. So just simplify it. 11 2 is 11 8 is 47. So you are having the radius 49 centimeter. So the radius is 49 centimeter, height is 40 centimeter, that is given here. So find the curved surface area of the cylinder. Curved surface area of the cylinder will be 2 pi r h. 2 pi is 22 by 7, r is 49 and h is 40. Multiply. Please go into 40, multiply and get your answer in the centimeter square. Come to the question number 5. The volume of the cylinder is question number 5. The volume of the cylinder is given. Volume of cylinder, that is what is given here. The value of this is 5544 centimeter cube. Okay, and the height is 16. Height is 16 centimeter. In the question number 4, height is 16 centimeter. You have to find the radius and curved surface area. As you know that the formula of volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. So r square will be 5544 divided by pi and h, and put the value here of h at pi. Pi is 22 by 7 and h will be the 16, and you have to simplify it. 11 2 is 11, 5 is 55, 0, 11 4 is clear. So divide by 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 5 is 10, 2 2 is clear. Then divide it with the 4, 63. So you are having the r square 63 into 7. 16 into 7 into 3 into 3 into 7, and 4 will be 2 into 2. As you can say, this is the 7 square, 3 square by 2 square. So whole square. On comparing with this square, so you will get the value of r is 7 into 3 by 2. It is 21 by 2 centimeter. 10.5 centimeter. So you get the value of r here. What about the curved surface area? That is 2 pi r h. And put the value of r and h here. 22 by 7, r is 21 by 2 and then h is 16. So 44 into 24. Multiply and get your answer in the centimeter scale. Come to the question number 6, where the radii of the two circular cylinder are in 2:3. It means there are two cylinders whose radius are in ratio 2:3. The other two cylinders, first cylinder and the second cylinder, so they have the radius r1 and r2. So the ratio r1 and r2, their ratio is 2:3. So r1 will be 2x and r2 will be 3x. Clear? r1 2x, r3 3x, and height are, if their height is h1 and its height is h2, so their ratio is given h1 ratio h2, that is given in the ratios of 5:4. Find the curved surface area. So h1 will be the 5 by and H2 will be the 4y. So find the curved surface area. Curved surface area of first will be 2 pi r1 h1, and there will be curved surface area of the second one, that is 2 pi r2 h2. You have to find their ratios. So CSA1 by CSA2. 2 pi r1 h1, or there is 2 pi r2 h2. 2 pi will be cancelled and put the value of r1 h1 r2 h2. r1 is 2x, h1 is 5y, and that is 3x and 4y. Y will be cancelled by y, x will be cancelled by 6. Then you have the ratio 5:6. It means their ratio is 5:6. So this is the ratios of the curved surface area. And find the ratios of their volume. Volume of 1 and volume of 2. Volume will be pi r square h. I am taking off the first cylinder, so r1 and h1. Then pi r2 square h2. Pi से pi cancel. Put the value of r1 and h1 here. r1 is 2 times because there is a square, so you will write 2x into 2x, h1 is 5, and r2 is 3x into 3x into 4y. And just cancel all the values here, which is possible here. 2 2s are 4 will be cancelled, so you will get the ratio 5:3. These are 9, so the 5:9 will be the ratios of its volume. Come to the question number 7. The sum of the radius and the height of the cylinder is 37. It means r plus h. R plus h. That is, in the question number 7, the sum of r and h is equal to the 37. And find the curved surface area. Find the curved surface area, total surface area is 1628. Total surface area is 1628 meter square. That is in meter and this is in meter square. What is the total surface area? It means there is a top as well as bottom, so 2 pi r into r plus h, that is 1628. And you are having the sum of these two, one that is 37, so you can get the value of r here. 2 into 22 by 7 r, and r plus h is 37 is equal to 1628. So you will get the value of r. It will be just cross multiplied here, multiply with 7 and divided 2 into 22 by 37. Okay, I am just trying to solve it. Divided by the 11. 37. So you will get the value 37 will be cancelled by the 37. You will get the value of r is 7 meter. If the r is 7 meter, and as you know that r plus h is 37, now put the value of r here 7. So you will get the value of h is 37 minus r, that means 13 meter. Clear? So you have to find their volume. So volume of this one will be pi r square h. Pi is 22 by 7, r is 7 and h is 30. So 7 will be cancelled. 21, 22 into 21. meter cube. Because it is a volume, so you will get the answer 4620 meter cube. Come to the question number 8. That is also same with the radius. Question number 8, where the radius and the height are in ratios of 7:2. So the r will be 7x and h will be 2x, and the volume is given here, that is 8316. And as you know that the volume of this is pi r r square h and put all the values here. 22 by 7, r is 7x into 7x and 2x is there, so that you can get the value of 7 will be cancel with the 7, x into x into x, x cube is there, so it's divided by the rest of the term 22, 7 and 2. So I am just going to cancel it. 11 twos are 11, 3s are 33. I am having here 33, it means 6, 65. 11, 5s are 55. Sorry. 7s are 77. 11 8s are. Okay. So it will be cancelled by the 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are, and it will be cancelled by the 7. So you will get the x cube is equal to 27, and 27 is the cube of 3. So you will get the value of x is 3. So your radius will be, that is 7x. Now it's become 7 into 3, 21, and your h is 2 into 3, that is 6 meter. That is in meter also, because all are given in the meter, centimeter sorry. So it is in centimeter here. R and H both are given here. So you just apply the formula of the total surface area. Now as you know that what is the formula of total surface area here? Your total surface area will be 2 pi r and r plus h. And put all the values here. 22 by 7, r is 21, then 21 plus 6, it will become 27. So divide it, multiply this term and get your answer in the centimeter cube. So try this 20D exercise up to the 8th question. Thank you and have a nice day.